Sometimes sold rice, sometimes worked as a laborer, and sometimes did farming. 4 times, he ran away from home. He got nothing but deception, but despite this, he manufactured his own car. In the beginning, its price and quality was so low that the world mocked it, forcing it to fail. Not once, but many times, climbing up and falling back down seemed to have become a habit for him, and this habit made him so strong that, in the end, this boy became the owner of the 3rd largest car manufacturing company in the world, Hyundai. Chang Joo Young was born in 1915 in a village called Tongchan in Korea, which today is part of North Korea. At that time, all of Korea was one country ruled by Japan. Chang was the eldest of 7 siblings, and due to poverty, the entire family worked in the fields. At the age of just 14, Chang had to drop out of school due to poverty and started working in the fields with his parents. He worked all day in the fields, but earned so little that despite working, he often had to sleep hungry for several days. This situation made him think whether he would spend his whole life like this. He had become fed up with his life and ultimately ran away from home to Kuan City, 100 kilometers away. There, he started working with construction laborers. He worked hard, but earned little. However, he was very happy because first, he was spending the money he earned on himself, and second, he was free. But this freedom only lasted for 2 months. His parents, who were searching for him, found him in Kuan and took him back to the village. The first happiness he had found in his life was taken away, and he was sent back to work in the fields. But in reality, he had tasted the city life, and he didn't want to live in the village or the fields again under any circumstances. After that, he tried to run away twice more, but was caught each time and returned to the village to work. One year, there was a major shortage of crops, and the entire village faced food scarcity. The situation got so bad that many people had to go without food for several days. Chang thought that enough was enough. He could not stay there anymore. So he planned to run away for the 4th time, and this would be his final attempt. This time, he ran away to Seoul, the capital of South Korea. He made it his life's goal to leave the village and settle in the city, no matter what job he had to do. After arriving in Seoul, he didn't leave any job undone. He worked as a construction laborer, a factory worker, and even took up cleaning jobs. One thing he had was that he worked with a lot of dedication and hard work. After some time, he got a job delivering rice for a shop. He began delivering to people's homes by bicycle. His efforts led to a significant increase in the shop sales, and the shop owner, happy with his work, made him the manager of the store.
This was his first job where he didn't have to lead to significant growth. So, in 1947, he started a construction company called Honda Civil Works. Initially, the company did small construction projects, like building houses and roads, but Chang wanted to land bigger projects. However, in 1950, North Korea attacked South Korea, leading to the Korean War. Seoul was close to the North Korean border, so Chang fled to Bison. But once again, Chang did not give up. He started another construction business, focused on providing services to the U.S. Army. The American forces, with their significant budget, started ordering construction services from Chang's company, and a strong working relationship developed between the U.S. Army and Chang. During the war, many roads and bridges were destroyed. The South Korean government entrusted the reconstruction projects to Honda, and soon, Honda became a major player in the construction industry. They built the biggest dam in South Korea, the largest Kabul Expressway, with good relations with both the South Korean government and the Americans. Chang was able to easily import heavy machinery and secure contracts, but he was still determined to return to the car business. In 1967, he started Honda Motors, and after some time, he partnered with a company named FAD, which was known for its famous Kona car. Despite a small car market in South Korea, Chang worked tirelessly to improve his cars and eventually launched them in the US, leading to immense success. Despite facing ridicule for the car's affordability and quality initially, Honda's continued innovation and commitment to improving quality helped the brand gain recognition worldwide. Chang Joo Young, who had started by selling rice, had now become the owner of a successful multinational company. Due to his old age, he handed over the company to his sons and retired. Chang passed away in 2001, leaving behind the 3rd largest car manufacturing company in the world, Discover TV. However, there are some facts about Honda that you might not know. The Honda logo does not represent the first letter H, but instead, it depicts two people shaking hands, one representing the company and the other a satisfied customer. See you in the next fantastic video.